CompanyCam has saved our company money when it comes to liability for torn screens on projects that aren't related to windows, damaged siding that aren't related to siding projects.
We used to call them risk photos. So when we started this whole process, we called it risk photos. The whole purpose of the risk photos were to make sure that we left the house the same way we found it, because you'd never understand the importance of having the photos on the job. When you go to collect your payment and you say, hey, we've done our job, we need paid. My fascia wasn't like that. No, actually it was. Here's the photo.
With remodeling, you never know what you can uncover. So unfortunately, if you're doing a project and you find damage and you find rot, especially if you're doing a roof and the wood is bad, CompanyCam is there to help us prove these certain issues.
Hey, we have to have an inspection on this roof. We have to have a mid-roof inspection, right? But there's rain coming. I wasn't willing to take the risk of dumping a bunch of water in somebody's home. Well, the inspector wants to see why we did it. And so by having those photos, we mitigate potentially tens of thousands of dollars of interior damage.
Let's say, 5 years down the road, we have that record of all those pictures. Or if they call up and they say, we want to add more solar, we can look at those pictures and go back and see what we did before.
If we did not have CompanyCam, we would not be able to provide the customer with a full view of what their roof looks like or what the job we did, the value of the work that we did. They can only see so much from the ground up, and this way we're able to send them pictures from the guys being on the roof, looking down, taking those photos, and they're able to see the full view.